Now you are ready to start creating sponsorship offers. Click the button below this video in the Welcome Assistant or hover over Promotions in the navigation toolbar and click Add. In this tutorial, we create a simple sponsorship offer that works best when you're a restaurant, hairdresser, retail store, or any type of business that has direct contact with customers. We will cover the other promotions in later tutorials. We define a sponsorship offer using a simple news promotion. This simple news item will appear in the mobile and web app and inform fans of your offer, but they cannot redeem the simple news item. They need to come into your store, make the purchase, and then you give them the code that they can use to redeem, which is a paper-based action code. They scan this action code and send the money to their club. So there are two steps. Create a simple news promotion and link it to a paper-based action code. Step 1. Create a simple news promotion. So select Simple News. Give your promotion a title. This is what the fan will see in the mobile and web app. You can provide a description, select who this promotion is relevant for. This will help when users are searching for promotions. Decide if your promotion is for all communities, and select your store. Upload an image. This is what users will see in the mobile and web app, so make sure it's a high-quality, eye-catching image. In the advanced settings, you can determine how long the promotion is active for. Click Save. Now for step 2, we are going to create the paper-based code. Hover over action codes in the navigation toolbar and click Add. Select paper-based codes. Enter a title and select the store for this promotion. Enable Can Be Redeemed in Communities. And then enter the amount that you are going to send to the fan's favorite sports club when they redeem this promotion. So in this case, it's €1. Loyalty points are for clubs, so you can leave that as 0. Enter how many action codes you would like to create. Now you can choose your design. Click Change and select from the list. Some designs will require an image, others only need a logo. Choose the color of the action code. You can preview your codes, click Create Preview and view the PDF. So you can keep track of how many times your promotion was viewed in the app. We will connect it to the simple news promotion we just created. In the Connection section, enter the title of your simple news promotion. Select your promotion. Now the promotion and action code are linked. In the advanced settings, you can decide how long the code will be active for. And you can also choose a follow-up action for users that redeem this code. Click Save. And you have now created your first sponsorship offer. Depending on how many codes you are generating, it may take some time to create the PDF. but you will receive an email notification when your codes are ready. Print the codes and give them to customers that make purchases in your store. To ensure that fans can send the money to any sports club they choose, click Communities in the navigation toolbar and click Settings in the top right-hand corner. And make sure My Promotions can be redeemed for all communities is enabled. And click Save. Now let's check out what users see in the app. When fans open the app, they can see the latest promotions. They can click on your promotion to view the details. It also links to your MyFavorito store, where the promotion will also be displayed. Now when fans come into your store and make a purchase, they will receive a paper-based code from you. All they have to do is scan the code or enter it in the web app and select their favorite club. And they have sent €1 to their club. And now your store will appear in their favorites list, so they will stay up to date with all your promotions and activities. And if we take a look at the sports club, your store now appears in their community. Fans can see you in the list of stores and view your location on the map. And your promotions appear on the community page for all their fans to see.